Hello everybody, it's me, Ink Master, and um today I want to talk about something special. Today is April 28th. Um and yesterday was my birthday. And yeah, happy late birthday to me from yesterday. And yeah, I got pretty cool gifts. My friends are also YouTubers. My friends are Grapevine Animates, if you know her, Annabelle Maniac, Mama Sweet 65, um, Twilight J-Lo, I forgot the other numbers, and Big Wolf Gaming. Also Boom, and that's it. Well, there's some other ones too. I'm gonna be showing probably my face reveal tomorrow, but it was from my birthday. Probably tomorrow or today. I actually don't know. But I just want to show my gifts of what I got. And yeah, I just want to show my favorite gifts. I'm gonna get the one that Annabelle Maniac gave me. I really love it. And we're gonna be unboxing it. Oh no, I don't know what fell. Now, Annabelle Maniac gave me this. Let me just put it right here. And because I barely came back from the movies, I came back to watch Infinity War, Avengers Infinity War, good ass movie. This is also the shirt from yesterday. I just decided to wear it again because it was still clean for some reason. It's probably a little raggy. You probably can't see it though. So this is what Annabelle Mania gave me. Let's try to open it up. Okay. I wanna try to open it up. I can't use my teeth though. Hold on, I just wanna open it with my teeth, and I cannot show my face right now. Alright, so I got it open now. So let's take it out. So, it's a penguin. It's a penguin with a, tiger suit. Dang it. Well, hold on. It's a penguin with a tiger suit. I kinda messed it up. Okay. Well, I'll be right back again. Okay. So I opened it. It's a penguin. It's cute. And a tiger. A tiger costume. I think I have to put the penguin inside. I don't know how it's gonna work though. How does this work? It's kind of like a stress ball though. How am I gonna put it in? Okay. Just shove it. Probably I'll just shove it in there. I think I'm gonna wait until it inflates. No, it looks bad. Hold on. It looks bad how I put it. Weird. It's gonna be pretty hard putting it in. How do you put it in? Oh, sorry, little penguin. Okay. Hey! I think it's right. Yeah. It's a little penguin inside the tiger costume. It actually looks pretty cute. I like it. Okay, let's put it back in there. I also got some coloring things that Annabelle Maniac gave me. I got some coloring pencils. I like coloring a lot. And look at what she gave me. I love it. I love it a lot. Oh yeah, also my reveal name is Christopher, but I will not show you my last name. It has like, sands right here. It looks pretty cool. I love it. I don't want to mess it up. Now I want to show you my other gift, and it's a Splatoon gun. It's actually the Splash. Oh, crap. Let me just be right back. Don't worry. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Alright. Alright, I already picked all the things up in the box. Now as I was saying, I got the Splat Shotter from Splatoon. It's amazing, but bad thing I can't open it right now because I actually don't know why. But I'll make a video of me unboxing it, and yeah, it'll be great. Oh, also my favorite things. I got Groot. Boom gave me this. Okay. You probably don't see him because probably the box was a little destroyed. No, the box was a little destroyed. Well, I kind of like Groot. Here he is. You probably don't see him well. But yeah, this is Groot. Yeah. It's Groot right now. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna put him right here. Then we have Captain America. This is, yeah, Captain America from Avengers Infinity War. Let's take him out. I'll see how he looks. Let me put the Groot box down here. Okay, let's open him up. Because these were the ones I chose were my favorite birthday presents of all. Oh, let me take it off. Here he is. Oh no. Here he is. Captain America. Okay, he's also one of my favorite characters. There. I also got another Avenger, and no, from Avengers Infinity War, and it's Iron Spider. I don't think you see him well. Let me just take him out of the box. No, I'm sorry. Oh, here he is. Looks pretty amazing. Yeah, very cool. Okay, guys, let me just go do something. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so I came back. I just wanted to do something. Okay. Now for the last Funko Pop, this is one of my favorites. And it's Soul from Soul Eater. I love it. I just love it. Okay, I'm taking it out of the box. Because I really love Soul Eater, and like, yeah, good ass show. So most of my favorite characters. Oh my god, look at him. He looks so cool. Oh man. And I'm gonna get Maka in the mail later. I'm probably gonna do an unboxing. But yeah, this is all it. Oh, also I had this drawing. It's a Soul Eater. I don't think you can see it well. And you can see Maka, Blackstar, and there's no Death Kid, there's also the moon. But yeah, it's also good. So anyway, guys, yeah, yesterday was my birthday, so I guess happy birthday from yesterday for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see y'all tomorrow, maybe.